How to get $40 Shein coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Shein coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Shein. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. You can also try out this one website. After you're in the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Shein. You can see that 20% off, 35% off. Just scroll down and check out the offers, and then you can head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. With that, you will get the code. You can copy the code and then click on Redeem at Shein. You'll be directed to the official website of Shein. Then you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Shein. Just scroll and check out. The process is same to use any of the offer. Lastly, what you can do is check out other website because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Shein. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.